Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another Walmart Ibotta haul. So we got a bunch of stuff, so let's get started and so you can get some of these deals. And we had a really great bonus this week. We had a $5 bonus when you do 18 offers on Ibotta. So let me show you guys what I got, and there's honestly really great deals. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see next week's deal. And let's get started. Alright, so let's get started on these deals. So everything is mainly from Walmart, but let me start off with like two things that I grabbed at Ralph's because I happened to be there. So I picked up this. So this is the Zen water. This is completely free. I think it's $1.99 and you get $1.99 back. It's vapor distilled water. I've had this before. It just tastes like water. It's really good. And this is completely free, so pick it up. I think you can pick it up in a couple of different stores, but I picked it up at Ralph's. And then also I was at Ralph's and they had like a couple clearance items that I grabbed. I grabbed this water bottle. It's $3. I thought it was really cool because it like pops open with like the little straw and stuff, and that was a great deal. And then I also got some not bacon strips, but like I think it's like pepperoni, and my dog really likes them, and they were like $1.25, so that's great. But let's go get those Walmart deals. Alright, so let's start off with all the goodies at Walmart. And so this is the first item that I grabbed. So these are the Kleenex. If you have not picked up all the back to school items, go and run and get those. I did them in my last video and this was the last thing that I was missing, and I've gone there now like twice and I can't find the one that's like the single pack. Well, the first store I went to did not sell it, and then the second one was like sold out, but they did have this 2-pack, which makes it like about $1, and you can pick this up. It's, I don't remember how much this is, but it's about $1 after Ibotta. But be sure to pick up the 1-pack if you can find that one. It's $1.58. You're gonna get back $1.89 on Ibotta, making this only 31 cents. Alright, so this is the next item that I grabbed. So this is the Quaker Oats Strawberry Banana Oatmeal. And if I keep looking down here on the side, it's because I hand wrote all like the breakdowns. But you're going to pick up this one, the dinosaur eggs, or there's one other flavor, but I do not remember. But check your Shopkick so you can get this deal, or you can pick up any flavor that you want. Last time I got the date one, and it was like nuts and dates because they didn't have any of these flavors, but I finally found this flavor. So this is priced at $2.50. You're gonna get back 75 cents on Ibotta, and you're gonna get back 310 kicks. Be sure to scan this in store, if not it's like 300 kicks. And this makes this only at 51 cents, and it's like perfect for breakfast. Alright, so the next item that we're going to do is this all. You're going to pick up this one, the one that says Oxy. It's like the smallest size that you can find. So this is the 20 loads, 36 fluid ounces. Okay, so this is priced at $2.97. You're going to use Ibotta and get back $1.50, and then you're going to submit this. We'll submit your receipt to coupons.com and get $1.25. And this is like basically almost free because it's only at 22 cents. Right, so this is the next item that we're gonna do. And if you have a little puppy or a dog, they're these blueberry snacks. I know some people had like the blueberry biscuits or something. They were like circles, but I picked up these. Are the soft baked dog treats. My dog is a really picky eater and she actually liked these because I already opened it, and like usually she does not like to eat like anything. She's like really picky and sticks to like the same kind of cookies and treats. So I'm really happy about this. So this is priced at $4.97. This counts for 2 rebates, so be sure to pick it up if you want to hit those offers. So the first one is you're gonna get back $2.50 on Ibotta for buying this. This is the Shameless Pets Blueberry Treasure Soft Baked Dog Treats. You can also pick up the dog jerky, but I picked up the treats, and then you're gonna get back 10 cents on any dog biscuit on Ibotta, making this $2.37, but it counts for 2 offers, so you can reach that bonus even faster with these. And they actually smell really good. They smell like kind of like blueberry, strawberry cookies. Alright, so this is the next item that we picked up. So this is the family size Kellogg's mashup. It's interesting how it has like the exact same picture on both sides, which is kind of awesome. But this is the Frosted Flakes with Apple Jacks, and this counts as 2 offers, so be sure to pick this up. There's also the Frosted Flakes and like Cinnamon Shack cereal. That one also counts as 2 offers, but I only had this one in my store, and this one is on sale. Well, it's like on, I think it's called Markdown. I don't know. It's on Roll Down at Walmart. So this is priced at $2, and you're gonna pick this up. So this is on Roll Down at Walmart. So this is priced at only $2 for this family size box of cereal, which is a great price. And so you're gonna get this and use Ibotta, and you're gonna use the Frosted Flakes, and it's a 65 cents back on Ibotta. And then you're gonna use the mashup, Kellogg's mashup, which is $1 back. So this box of cereal right here costs you only 35 cents, and this honestly sounds really good to have Apple Jacks mixed with Frosted Flakes, because both of them are delicious. Okay, so also right next to those was this. So these are for like the 4th of July. So I think that's why they were on like Roll Down. So these are the Rice Krispies. They're the red and blue ones. These are priced at $2. And you're gonna pick this up, and you're gonna get back 60 cents on Ibotta, making this only $1.40. And there was actually a peel like right here in the front. I actually saved it. I didn't realize, because I could have used it and picked this stuff up. It would have been a really great deal, but I saved it, and maybe next time I go to the store I could use this. It was literally right here in the front. And okay, so let's focus. Okay, so you get free Jet Puff marshmallows when you buy 2 Kellogg's. So I did like the breakdown for this too, so maybe next time I go I'll pick up 2 of these $2 cereals and a box of marshmallows. And so what the breakdown is buying 2 of these and one, I think it was a 16 ounce for $1.78, so I could get back $1 on Ibotta. And so I'd get back $2.60 because of the Rice Krispies cereal, and then I'd also get back $1 back on Ibotta for buying those marshmallows. And then with this little peely, which doesn't expire until September, and that would make this, it would make the marshmallows completely free. So it subtracts $1.59. So you're paying like 20 something cents for the marshmallows, and then in total for the 2 cereals and the marshmallows would be $1.99. And you can honestly make Rice Krispies now that I think about it, which sounds really good. Alright, so the next item that I picked up was this Special K, and I picked this up because I needed to pick up a different cereal so we could get that 50-cent bonus when you buy 3 Kellogg's cereal. So I picked this one up, and this is the chocolatey dipped flakes, and we really like to eat this in my house, and hopefully this one is really good because I've never tried this one. I usually get the strawberry or the blueberry one, and this is priced at $3.88. You're gonna get back $1 in Ibotta, making this $2.88, but you're also gonna get that 50-cent bonus. So for buying these 3 cereals, which is awesome. Alright, so next up we picked up these. They're the flips. I kind of wish they had the chocolate ones because I love eating the chocolate ones, but they only had these, the white fudge ones. So these are $1.98, and I honestly pick these up whenever I'm in the store because I happen to love these in chocolate. And so these are chocolate covered, well I guess they're white fudge covered pretzels because they're not the chocolate ones. But these are priced at $1.98. You're going to get back 75 cents on Ibotta, and that makes it only $1.23. And honestly, I buy these all the time. I actually buy them at the dollar store, but they're like really small. And so this is a little bit bigger of a size, and these are honestly really good. So I would go and run and grab these. Okay, so next up is something that I buy like all the time. So I got this Chobani Greek yogurt, and I got the blueberry one, and it's like the only flavor for some reason. This Walmart had like barely any things in the fridge for some reason. My other Walmart too barely has anything in the fridge. I don't know why they're all breaking, but we're gonna pick up this Chobani yogurt. It's $3.96. Comes with 4 yogurts, and you're gonna get back $1.25 on Ibotta, making it $2.71. Alright, so there's a bonus, so pick this up and be sure to check out the other ones. There's the liquid smoothies, and there's also the ones that I'm about to show you. And I also really like eating these, so you're gonna pick up 3 of the Chobani Flip. So they're like Greek yogurt on one side, and they have like either almonds, chocolate, or some kind of thing that you can add on to the yogurt. I picked up 2 of the almond ones, and I picked this one up. I've never tried this one, but it's a key lime crumble, so we'll see if this is good. And so you have to pick up 3 of these. So these are priced at $1.22. You're gonna pick up 3, and then Ibotta, you're gonna get back $1.22, making these $2.44 for all 3, and then you're gonna get back 50 cents back for buying 2 Chobani products. Alright, so I think that's it for this shopping trip. Oh, and then I picked up a salad. It was like on clearance for $1.89. And I picked up a Caesar salad. I really like eating them. They're like the individual salads. I could have gotten like one of the bag salads. I think they were like 80 cents. But I decided to go with the one that was like packaged with the dressing and everything. So that's $1.89 minus 10 cents is $1.79 because I had any lettuce. I had an any lettuce rebate on Ibotta, and you can use it on salad. Thanks for watching my channel. Hopefully you like that, and if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you can see next week's deal, and see you guys next time. Bye.